everybody! So today, my weekend getaway tayo. Break muna. So hello to my Filipino homes team all over the country. Hi guys! So today we are in Angeles in Savannah Plains subdivision. So we're just having a weekend getaway with friends, intimate gathering with food. And what a nice place, of course. So I'll show you the place. Meron siyang pool, meron siyang 3 bedrooms. So it's a cozy little place, but it's a nice place for weekend getaway. So the place is called Tatz Villa, which is inside Savannah Plains in Angeles City. I cannot tell you the exact address, but I'll just show you the place, okay? So tingnan natin kung okay ba siya, maganda ba siya, mag-review din tayo ng konti. Okay guys, so ito yung sa labas niya, papasok. Okay, so you are greeted with this nice open area for gathering, parang outside gathering. Pwede mag-barbecue dyan. Full air condition naman siya, no? So mayroong mga CCTV. Maganda siya kasi mayroong toilet, CR sa labas. We have a shower, toilet here, extra convenience, sitting area, and then you have this little plunge pool, which is nice for summer. Summer kasi ngayon, so palamig muna tayo kasi maraming mga it's been a busy, hectic week for us, so inisip namin bakasyon muna sandali just to clear our heads. And so ito, maganda, no? Tatz Pool Villa ang pangalan, guys. If you want to I'll provide the details sa description if you want to contact them and book the place. Mayroong outside kitchen dyan, no? So kompleto siya. Yeah, utensils, lots of storage. Ito, mga extra chairs, mga ganyan. So ganda siya, ganda niya, diba? So yeah, relaxing siya, guys. Okay, and pasok na to sa loob. So inside, yun yung mga kasama ko. Hello guys. Yeah. Alpha. Yan, so mayroon siyang TV, sitting area. Ganda naman siya talaga, no? Dining. So yan, connected doon sa labas. Mayroong fridge dito, microwave, lots of storage. Ito yata is another bedroom which is not allowed for public. Parang sa may-ari lang yata yan. So ito yung ano niya, ito yung access to the outside kitchen. Ang ganda, no? And then ayan, mga pogi, diba? Ito yung another toilet here with a rain shower. Uy, maganda yung ano, oh. Aba, wall to floor to ceiling yung tiles, no? Ganda. Iba talaga pag floor to ceiling tiles. Ito yung main bedroom yata. And then you have a parang good for 4 dito. So dito yata kami mamayang gabi. Full air condition naman siya, no? So every room has an aircon. Yan. Ayan. So maganda. Maganda rin ang neighborhood. It's very quiet. Okay. So yan guys, just a quick weekend getaway in Angeles City. We are close to Clark, SM Clark, also SM Telebastagan if you need something there. Marami din ditong yung Korean area, where Korean shops, Korean barbecue, Korean, everything Korean. Korean town yata, yeah. Korean town is also nearby. So, yeah, very cool place. Pampalamig guys, kasi summer, it's so hot. Hi guys, ito yung food namin today. Anong pangalan nito? Carbonara, pasta, we have pancit gisado, chuk-chuk. Yan. Meron din kaming ano. Hello, Sarah. Caldereta guys, sharap. Oh, ay, initin pa. Oh. Diba? Kain na tayo sa mga fruits. Yan.
Hi guys. Oh, 10K.
Mga pogi diba?
10K.
10K na yung hurry up followers ko. Mag-follow na kayo. Thank you guys for following.
Panood po kayo dito.
Let's go for 20K followers. Yay!
Paalisin muna natin yung spot.
Yan. Kanina ligo na ako, so okay na ako. Nice place.